we recording? I think it's recording. Alright, so look. I got the tech op going. I only got 2 minutes, so I gotta hurry up. Hold on. I'm gonna do a tune right here. So you can see the tune. I got Elite Rifleman, snipers, 6 snipers, a bishop, 1 server, and my DS already hurt. So I'll just go to the base. Push attack. I go full screen now. So I deploy my DS first. I run that up by this rock right here. See this rock? Then I take these techs. These are free techs. I just set them right there. Then I deploy the server. Set him over here because he's gonna distract these things. Put him on defend. And deploy the sniper team. Set them right by the. And then we wait. We wait for them to come. See that? I was a little off. After them die, retreat your snipers. Deploy air. Alright, and take your DS, set it over here by this tree. Grab this server. Once we grab that, we can run that up. By the rock. As soon as this tower starts shooting like the drakes, you want to put on defend, watch. Like right there, I think it is, yep. Then as soon as the tower, the DS gets right by the bottom of the tower, push defend. See, defend. Defend. That went too far. I didn't ever do that. But now you got your air. Bring your air in. Come over a little bit like right here. You're going for this. This is kind of where I be getting hit sometimes. See, I'm too far over. What the fuck? I did not mean to do that. Alright, so that's that. I didn't mean the air to get hurt like that. I went too far over. It's glitching. And kill that. Kill that. Bring this server up more. You can bring these techs up now. Server we're gonna take up until this tower starts shooting. So right there. Get ready, push the fan, because as soon as it starts shooting, we'll push the fan. Alright, that's shooting. Just go to the tower and stop shooting. And you see that? Now it stopped shooting. And then we go right over here. I killed most of these buildings just because it's reproduced thing right here. As you've seen, if you get your air over in the wrong area, you will lose your air because of these towers over here. But I didn't mean to do that. It was just lagging, so I didn't know how far it was over. Go for this tower. Like this. I just take out these buildings just because they're here and shit. I'll come over here. take out this. Go for the bigger rail gun right here. Alright, so now we're done pretty much for the back part, for everything really. I'm just gonna take out this. I just don't like them walls being over there. Alright, now you retreat them. Then I'll retreat. Now you're gonna deploy your 12 riflemen and your sniper team with the techs and everything. We're gonna pull them all up. Pull them up this way. As you see, it's lagging. It's trying to fuck with me. I just put him like right there, just a little closer. Now spread these out. I put one right here, one right here, one right here. See how they're acting up? That's not how it's supposed to be. The game is acting up. That's not how I got them lined up. And you take your rifle, man. Put them up here, like right here, real quick so you can see them. Because they'll get lost in the middle of all that stuff. Come on, man, what the fuck? It's tweaking. I have no clue why it's doing this. Alright, so anyways, now we're gonna take these. Let's take another take, put it up here. Shit, see if it'll try to go up there. There we go. That's a little further. So you spread out these riflemen. You gotta watch out so that fucking thing don't come and get you. The Nova. You spread them out. Just keep spreading them out. Spread them out more. Alright, so let's see, I got one more right here, spread it out. Put that right there. Put that right there, fuck it. So then you grab your snipers and everything. And I put them like right by the DS. Everything by the DS. So it boosts the DS too. Take your server, you run him down here, you hit the fist to bait the Nova in. See Nova coming, and you come back around, put it on defend. Now once you put it on defend, you just let the base kill itself. Now you see how this tech ain't shooting? Move it up so it's shooting. See this rifleman? Put this rifleman somewhere by these guys, so he's part of the distraction. Now we just let it shoot. And it'll kill the Nova itself. As you see, then the little things are coming. The sniper's gonna turn around, everything's gonna start shooting them, killing them things, and doing what they're supposed to do, and then they'll go right back focused on the Nova. Still doing his job. See the Nova almost dead. It's halfway dead. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just watching now. After you set everything up, it just kills itself. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much these riflemen in here are distracting the escorts and the Nova. So the Nova can't focus on none of your other tunes. A couple of the techs are getting hit and things like that. But again, the techs are free. Only thing that's mine in here is servers, snipers, bishop, DS, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? And they're doing their job. They're killing like we see here at the bottom now. It's almost dead. You see it. You see it. We don't care about all that other stuff dying. We're doing good. We're doing good. Keep going. Keep going. All right, now, see, that was the last of the escorts. Now it's just the Nova dying. About to get that part right now. Done. So we're done. Got the part, 25 medals, 25K medals collect. Then we look at my tune just to show you like it's not nothing messed up. Tune. Alright, so I lost 7 riflemen. That's perfect. That's free repair still. And that was already hurt. So I lost 7 elite riflemen. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much that's it. Done. Base done. Hope this helps. How'd I push stop? How'd I stop?